Sorry. So that is gonna be it for now. I'm gonna have to come back and do a bunch more cleanup this evening. Then I gotta run up the road, do a neighbor's place as well, helping them out. But for now, it's good. I've got to get a coffee order delivered, so I have to leave, but I can get all the way out. Everything's plowed enough. The rest will all be cleanup, and then usually what we'll do is go back on the road, the driveway, and hit everything on the side with the snow blower and blow everything up and over the berm. And then as we get more snow, I have to push a bunch of the snow in some different places, pockets that I've got, to be able to push the overflow of snow. But for right now, it's good enough. It allows me to get out and go do what I need to do for the day. So in all, that took probably an hour and a half. That's pretty typical. 1.5 to 2 hours is usually what it takes for me to be able to remove all of the snow just on our place. Sometimes I have to do the road, sometimes it's already done. Just depends on who gets out there first, which of the neighbors does what. But yeah, it's about a 2-hour snow job out here. So it takes a while, and it kind of just cuts into the plans of whatever you're doing. But we won't get stuck getting the vehicles in and out. We won't get caught off guard if we get hammered again while I'm gone or tonight. So something you gotta keep up on it, or it'll stack up, and then it takes hours and hours and hours to push and move, because you got to do everything 2-3 times at least, just to deal with the snow load that came down. All right, that is it, guys. Thanks for plowing the driveway with me. We'll catch you guys on the next one.